In this video guys, I'll show you what this beauty can do and how it's changed my workflow and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash.
Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis. Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis.
So let me paint the picture. Countless hours of knee ache, backache and covered in dirt. Does that sound familiar? Well, that was my life right there until I decided to invest in this beauty. So we're going to get the CBR 954 up on the ramp and then I'll run through some specifications with you all. Right, let's get this beauty up on the ramp. As you can see, it's really easy. It's really easy to get your bike onto the ramp and then into the wheel chock at the front. So now the bike's secured in the chock at the front. What I like to do for a little bit of extra safety is put a paddock stand on and lift the bike off, and that's not going anywhere. So then guys, first up, let's talk about the specs. So the CLARKE CML3 has a load capacity of 450 kilograms. So whether you're working on a lightweight street bike or a fully loaded cruiser, this lift really does have you covered. It's air and foot powered, meaning that you can hook it up to your compressor or just use good old fashioned leg power. All you need to do is attach the pedal under there like so, and that's your pump to lift the ramp up. So one of the best features is the hydraulic mechanism here. It's super smooth, sturdy, and it really does feel reliable. You also get a locking bar with the ramp, and that's the safety mechanism. And you lock this underneath just while the bike's in the air. It's just a bit of a safety precaution. I'll show you how this goes in. So the safety bar goes in here. There's two levels, so you could lift the ramp up a little bit higher. So that goes through there like that. And then what I like to do is just drop the ramp down just so the tension is taken on this bar. So just gently let it down, push the pedal under here until the bike goes down and the tension's taken up on that bar there. So we're up in the air, safety mechanism's in place, and this thing it's rock solid. That's not going anywhere. It's super safe. You've got the locking mechanism there in case the hydraulics failed. That's locked into place, so the ramp's not going anywhere, so you can safely get underneath and work away on your bike. This is one of the main reasons that prompted me to buy this ramp. It's because you can work on your bike at eye level, so you're not on your knees, you're not crawling around on the floor. Everything's accessible. Everything's really, really super easy to reach. And trust me, if you've been working on your bikes on the floor, it soon gets monotonous and a little bit boring when you're on your knees all the time and the bike's on its paddock stand. This just changes your workflow, it changes the way that you work, and it's real refreshing, it's lovely. My wife never needs to ask where I am, because if she doesn't know where I am, guess where I am? I'm in the man cave working on my bike, or one of my bikes. So like I say, currently on the bike ramp we have this beautiful CBR 954. This is a bike that I restored last year. I did have some problems when I bought the bike. Fourth gear went. One of the dog teeth on the back of fourth gear were rounded, and then there was a big chunk taken out of one of the teeth on fourth gear, so I had to source another gearbox, which I did out of a CBR 929, which is a direct swap, and yeah, got it all ready and on the road. So it's not pristine by any stretch of the imagination, but it's a really tidy original bike, which is what I wanted. And after meeting Guy Martin at Miles Kingsport last year, he sat on the bike. I'll show you that on screen now actually. And he was commending the bike, saying how beautiful it was, and it was actually in better condition than his. And he's got the exact same bike. I'll show you that now as well. So as you can see then guys, it's super easy to work on this CLARKE hydraulic ramp, especially when you're sat on the matching Clarke seat. I had to buy it, I'm afraid. I'm a bit of a saddo, everything's got a match. But I'll put a link for the seat, the adjustable seat, in the description below, as well as the ramp. I bought that from Machine Mart in Hull, United Kingdom. But as you can see, the height is absolutely perfect. So you sat down, you're not bending your back, you're not on your knees, you're not getting dirty, and you can just work on your bike happily away, sat down there for hours. So it's not all sunshine and rainbows. For one, it's a bit heavy and it's a bit bulky, so you definitely need space in your garage. It's not an item that you can fold away quite easily. Most of the time I have this in use in the garage, in the place that it is now, because I use it most weeks, to be honest. And if I don't use it and I'm not using it for a while, I'll hitch up the CBR 954 and I put it in the corner of the garage as a bit of a showpiece, which looks great because it's raised off the ground. So a bit of a dual purpose for me. And while the price point is reasonable for what you get, it is an investment, so you do need to consider carefully if you're going to get value for money out of this lift. So it does take some consideration when making this purchase, but honestly, the time and comfort that this saves, it's worth every single penny in my opinion. So guys, should you buy the CLARKE CML3? So if you're serious about working on your bike and you want to save your back, your knees and your sanity, I'd say yes. This lift has honestly transformed the way that I maintain my motorbikes. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. So that's it for today's review video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And let me know in the comments section what your go-to tool is for your bike maintenance. So I hope you found the review video helpful, guys, and if you have, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. But for now, keep the rubber side down and keep them wrenches turning, guys. Until next time.